In this video, I'll show you how to create custom brow mod for Skyrim. Grab the files and let's get started. There are two zip files. Extract and open the blend file. In this file, there are face references, low poly haircut, and high poly haircut for both male and female characters. Now let's create with superficial brows. First select Skyrim Brow Mesh and hit Create. Assign the face, then select a preset. Then you can play with the mood and style options or adjust the vertices like I do. There are many things you can do. Reshape the tail, add some randomness, brush up, adjust the radius, and many more. Baby hair is the key to realism. Try to add some to your creations. And you can play with the seed to get some variations. Now let's bake. Select the brow, then the hair card. Choose resolution, toggle GPU, then bake. The hair card is now ready. It looks just like the original brows. Now let's save textures. Name the diffuse map female_D. For normal map female_N. Now let's convert to DDS format. You could use NVIDIA texture tools or Paint.net. Select BC3 and save in DDS format. Repeat the same process for a normal map. Now let's try out with the test mod. Install the second zip file with Mod Manager or Vortex. Toggle the mod and right-click to open its folder. Find the texture folder. Then copy-paste what you just made. The test mod and your own custom brow textures are now ready. Now let's go into Skyrim and see if they work. Open this menu. Find the brow tab. Select brow named MYOB. Zoom in and check the brow you just made. Ta-da! You've made your own Skyrim brows. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye bye!